Have you ever wondered what really turns a woman on? Not just physically, but emotionally, mentally, psychologically? Not every seductive move is about touch. Some of the most powerful moves are subtle, slow, and deeply psychological. They trigger her deepest desires without saying a single word. In today's video, we're diving deep into 7 seductive moves that women secretly crave, but won't always admit. If you're ready to unlock that irresistible, magnetic connection, keep watching. Let's begin. 1. The lingering eye contact. This one may sound simple, but it's anything but ordinary. When a man holds eye contact, not in a creepy or aggressive way, but with intention, it sends an instant psychological signal. Eye contact activates the limbic part of the brain associated with emotional arousal. Studies have shown that prolonged gaze increases attraction and emotional connection. It's not just looking at her, it's looking into her. How to do it seductively. Hold her gaze for 2 to 3 seconds longer than you normally would. Smile gently. Don't break it too soon. Let her feel the intensity. Let her wonder what's behind those eyes. The key: confidence plus subtlety equals seductive energy. 2. The whispered compliment. Compliments are nice, but whispered compliments, game changers. When you lower your voice and get just a little closer, her senses heighten. Why? Because when you whisper, she has to lean in. This creates a physical closeness and a shared intimacy without even touching. Instead of saying, "You look beautiful tonight," lean close and whisper, "You have no idea what you're doing to me right now." The tone, the breath, the proximity, it all adds layers of arousal. It's playful, it's dangerous, and most importantly, it's unforgettable. Psychologists say that vocal tone can trigger desire as much as physical contact. Lower tones signal masculinity and intimacy. 3. The gentle guiding touch. Let's talk about a move that drives women wild, especially those who enjoy feeling desired and protected. It's the light, confident touch. A gentle hand on the lower back as you guide her through a doorway, or a lightly touching her arm when she laughs. This small gesture speaks volumes. It says, "I'm paying attention. I'm in control. I want to be close to you." According to psychology, tactile stimulation, when done right, can build sexual tension without being overt. The anticipation builds up the craving. Women love the leadership and subtlety. But here's the catch: never be forceful. Confidence isn't about dominance, it's about presence. 4. The control tease. Seduction is a dance of energy, and teasing is its rhythm. Women don't crave instant gratification. They crave build-up, a slow, delicious stretch of anticipation. Teasing, when done right, is a major psychological turn-on. This can be holding her hand, then pulling away, leaning in like you're about to kiss her, and stopping just before, sending a playful text. "You were on my mind today, but I'll tell you why later." It's about almost giving and then pulling back. The mind races, the desire grows, the chase begins. A study in sexual psychology found that anticipation activates more brain regions related to pleasure than the act itself. That's why teasing works. It amplifies desire. 5. The use of scent. Seduction is a full sensory experience, and scent is the most underrated weapon in your arsenal. Women have a stronger sense of smell than men, and certain pheromones, natural scent markers, can increase attraction. But here's the trick: pair your natural scent with a signature cologne, not too strong, but distinctive. Something woody, musky, or subtly sweet. Science tells us that scent is directly linked to memory and arousal. A woman will remember how you smelled far longer than what you said. When you lean in close and she inhales your scent, especially in intimate moments, it bypasses logic and hits her limbic brain, the same region responsible for emotions and arousal. Want to be unforgettable? smell like a memory she can't shake. 6. The seductive silence. Most men underestimate the power of silence. But the truth is, seductive energy isn't always in what you say. It's in what you don't say. When you're confident enough to be quiet, to hold space, to simply be present without rushing to fill the air with noise, it shows deep power. That kind of stillness, it's magnetic. During a date, pause. Look at her. Let the moment breathe. Let the silence speak. That moment, that tension, it's charged. Women are intuitive. They read between the lines. So when a man knows how to use silence, it gives her the space to fantasize, wonder, and want more. Psychologists call this the mystery factor, and it's a seductive superpower. 7. The passionate presence. The final move is the most powerful one. It's not a trick, not a tactic, not a line or a look. It's presence. When a woman feels you're completely there with her in that moment, it unlocks something deeper than lust. It touches her soul. Put down your phone. Forget the distractions. Look her in the eyes. Listen, not just with your ears, but with your whole energy. Be the man who isn't trying to get something. Be the man who's already full, but wants to share the moment with her. That presence is rare, and in a world full of surface-level flings, it becomes irresistible. According to relationship psychology, emotional safety plus physical presence equals deep craving. That's what makes a woman not just turned on, but truly drawn in. Seduction isn't about manipulation. It's about connection, about tapping into the subtle signals that women respond to, often without even realizing it. These 7 seductive moves, they're not just physical, they're psychological, emotional, energetic. Which of these moves surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. There's more content coming your way every week to help you master the art of love, attraction, and human connection. Until next time, stay confident, stay curious, and keep it magnetic.